Hi, this is Realtor John Keller from $1 Realty. I have a very unique listing in Hudson, Florida. It's just a few houses in from the Gulf, and it is very unique because it's unity of title, meaning it is two properties joined together. So that made it multi-family. It's zoned 1 to 4 dwellings according to the county record. So there's currently 3 spaces on this property, 2 mobile homes that are already connected and either be torn down or possibly repaired, as the county records say the property only sustained 34% damage from the hurricane last year. But the value of this property is 150 some foot seawall. That's corrugated seawall. It's a different type of seawall that they don't allow you to do anymore, as far as I know. So that, according to the seller, that property, the seawall is really fantastic. 150 some feet. Most of the lots in here are a third that size. So it has the 2 mobiles, and then it has the third structure, which is wide, 32 feet long, has a front door and a back door, and it did not sustain any damage because it is slightly above the floodplain. The second floor is completely finished. It has air conditioning in it. That garage, according to the seller, when she built it, had plumbing. It's plumbed out in the floor, so the plumbing is run, but you'd have to connect it, from there up. But it has a very large boat lift, and then it has a fixed pier next to the boat lift, and then it has a floating dock next to that, and then it has an additional fixed pier. So there's actually 4 things that you can attach a boat to right there. And then it has a 5th thing, because the davits, the base for davits are there. There's no davits, but the bolt sticking out of the ground, the concrete basin for davits, is on the seawall. There's nothing in front of that. So this is a very unique property for someone who wants to really enjoy the salt life in Hudson, Florida. It's currently $410,000. If there's any price updates, you'll see it in the MLS. I'm Realtor John Keller, $1 Realty, 727-277-3238. Give me a call, I'll show it to you.